Dan here. Today we're going to take a look at uneven wear characteristics of the front tyre on a Harley Davidson Fat Boy. There are plenty of theories as to why this happens. We're going to take a look at a few of them and evaluate the credibility of each theory. From the rider's position, the wear is on the right hand side. It starts to occur at about 10 degrees off centre, down to about 15. The tyre is a 160/60 R18 Michelin Scorcher 11. Online there are buckets of theories as to why this wear occurs, as you can imagine. I'm going to list a few and then we can take a look at each one in more detail. The first theory goes like this. Because it's got such a large rear tyre, the engine had to be moved to the left hand side. Because there's more weight on the left hand side, the rider compensates by shifting the bike more to the right hand side. Okay, so we're going to get a little bit geeky here. I'm going to put a digital protractor on the bike and so that we can measure how many degrees offset the bike actually is when riding. So in a static position, the bike is biased slightly to the left hand side, but when riding it, it very much sits upright, and I'd say just because of the size of those wheels and the weight of the wheels, the centrifugal force definitely keeps it very centered. And you can see here on the screen, it's quite centered and balanced. I should mention that to get the amount of wear that we're getting, we would need to achieve greater than 10 degrees to say 15 degrees. And we're certainly not seeing that. So what do you think? I'm not sure about the unbalanced bike theory. Maybe it's part of the reason, but personally I think there's more to it. What's interesting is that the breakout doesn't have wear on the front tyre, yet from the headstock back it's essentially the same design. It could just be because Harley riders have big balls and the weight wears the tyres. Let me know what your thoughts are. Next on the list is the road camber theory. The wear seems to occur whether you ride on the left hand side of the road or whether you're on the right. I haven't been racing in the motordrome. I think this is unlikely. Next on the list is tyre pressure or low tyre pressure as the cause. Harley Davidson recommend 36 psi. Here we can see the pressure's around 32 to 34. I'm going to increase that. I'm going to set it to around 38 to 40. I've noticed with the new tyre, it's got a seam where the wear predominantly happens, or where it sort of starts from. So they obviously know about this problem. I wonder whether they've put a slightly harder compound in that offset region. In summary, and in my opinion, I think that under heavy braking, there's weight transfer that occurs, and that's heating the front tyre up and causing that excessive wear on that part of the tyre. I have noticed that Harley Davidson have modified the wheels. I wonder whether that's a workaround to lighten the wheel, and maybe the weight's got something to do with it. Tell me what your thoughts are, what your experiences are, that type of thing. Really keen to hear from you. So till next time, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. It's free and it really helps the channel.